Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the right hinge bearing on your Whirlpool washer. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation brands, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new right hinge bearing for your Whirlpool washer, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The hinge bearing is used to support the lid to ensure smooth motion during use. If the hinge bearing is cracked or damaged, the lid may not open fully or may not open at all. In this video, we will be replacing the right hinge bearing from the washer. Please note that these instructions also apply to the left hinge bearing. Open the washer's lid. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently depress the hinge on the right side of the washer as you lift the lid. Then slide the lid to the right as you lift to remove it. The hinge is located here on the top panel. Reach through the top panel and apply pressure to the back of the hinge to remove it. If you need to purchase a new right hinge bearing, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you are getting the correct part. When purchasing your new hinge bearing, make sure that you are purchasing the correct one, as the left and right hinge bearings are sold separately and have their own part numbers. To install, align the hinge bearing to the slot in the top panel and press until it snaps into place. Next, align the hinge on the lid to the slot on the washer. Then, depress the hinge on the right side and slide the lid into place. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.